Welcome to Russia, a country with its rich history, diverse culture, breathtaking landscapes, and needless to say, the most beautiful women on the planet. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems of this vast and mysterious nation. Russia is the largest country in the world, from the icy wilderness of Siberia to the vibrant streets of Moscow. Russia covers over 17 million square kilometers, making it by far the largest country on Earth. Its vast expanse stretches from the Baltic Sea in the west to the Pacific Ocean in the east, encompassing a range of environments including tundra, taiga forests, mountains, and steppes. This enormous geographical diversity contributes to the country's rich biodiversity and complex climate patterns, ranging from the icy cold of Siberia to the temperate climates found in parts of the European section of the country. The history of Russia is rich and complex, spanning over 1,000 years. Russia's history begins with the Kievan Rus in the 9th century, a federation of Slavic tribes under Viking rule, centered in Kiev. It became a major cultural and political center in Eastern Europe. In the 13th century, the Mongol Empire invaded and dominated the region, leading to over 2 centuries of Mongol rule, known as the Tatar-Mongol yoke. In the 15th century, the Grand Duchy of Moscow began to rise in power, eventually liberating Russian lands from Mongol control. Ivan the Terrible, was crowned as the first Tsar of Russia in 1547, marking the beginning of the Tsardom of Russia. The Romanov dynasty began in 1613 with Michael Romanov, leading Russia through a period of expansion and modernization. Peter the Great reigned 1680 to 1725, and his successors transformed Russia into a major European power, founding St. Petersburg and reforming the military and government. The 18th and 19th centuries saw significant territorial expansion, industrialization, and social change. The Russian Empire became one of the world's largest empires. In 1917, the Russian Revolution led to the overthrow of the Tsar and the establishment of the Soviet Union under the Bolsheviks. The Soviet period was marked by significant political and social upheavals, including Stalin's rule, World War II, and the Cold War. The Soviet Union dissolved in 1991, leading to the creation of the Russian Federation. Since then, Russia has undergone significant political, economic, and social changes, transitioning from a communist system to a market economy and navigating its role in the global arena. Each era of Russian history has contributed to the nation's rich cultural and political heritage. With a population of approximately 144 million people, Russia is the 9th most populous country in the world. The majority of its population resides in the European part of the country, with Moscow, the capital, being the most populous city, with around 12 million inhabitants, followed by St. Petersburg, with approximately 5 million people. Russia's population is characterized by its ethnic diversity, with over 190 ethnic groups, including Russians, Tatars, Ukrainians, and Bashkirs, among others. This diversity is reflected in the country's cultural traditions, languages, and religious practices, making Russia a true melting pot of cultures. Russia's cultural heritage is one of its most remarkable aspects, with a rich tradition in literature, music, art, and architecture. Russian literature has produced some of the world's most famous writers, including Leo Tolstoy, Fyodor Dostoevsky, and Anton Chekhov. These literary giants have left an indelible mark on world literature, exploring themes of human nature, morality, and society. Russian classical music and ballet are also internationally renowned, with composers like Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky and Sergei Rachmaninoff and ballet companies like the Bolshoi Ballet earning global acclaim. The country's artistic traditions are reflected in its distinctive architecture, from the onion domes of Orthodox churches to the grandeur of the Kremlin and the Winter Palace. Religion plays an important role in Russian society, with the Russian Orthodox Church being the largest and most influential religious institution. Orthodoxy has shaped Russia's cultural and spiritual identity, influencing its art, literature, and customs. In addition to Orthodox Christianity, Russia is home to Islam, Buddhism, Judaism, and various other religions, reflecting the country's ethnic diversity. Russian cuisine is a hearty blend of flavors shaped by the country's cold climate and diverse cultural influences. Staples include borscht, which is a beet soup with sour cream, and pelmeni, a meat-filled dumplings often served with butter or vinegar. Blini is a thin pancakes, are popular, often topped with caviar or sour cream. Other dishes like beef stroganoff and kvass is a fermented beverage, showcase Russia's rich culinary heritage, combining simplicity with deep, comforting flavors. Moscow is Russia's capital, a dynamic city blending history with modernity. It's home to iconic landmarks like the Kremlin, Red Square, and St. Basil's Cathedral, symbolizing Russia's rich heritage. Moscow was founded in 1147, making it one of the oldest cities in Russia. Over the centuries, it has grown into the country's economic and financial center, hosting the Moscow Exchange, Russia's largest stock exchange, and being home to major corporations and banks. The city plays a crucial role in Russia's economy, contributing significantly to its GDP. Moscow's public transport system is extensive and efficient, with the Moscow Metro being the centerpiece. The metro is renowned for its punctuality, coverage, and beautifully decorated stations, often referred to as underground palaces. In addition to the metro, the city is served by buses, trams, and a growing network of electric buses, making it easy to navigate this vast metropolis. Moscow is not only an economic powerhouse but also a vibrant cultural hub. The city is home to a large number of bars, theaters, and art galleries, contributing to its lively nightlife. Moscow's bars range from upscale lounges to underground clubs, offering diverse experiences for night owls. The city's theater scene is world-renowned, with institutions like the Bolshoi Theatre leading the way. Art lovers can explore numerous galleries, including the famous Tretyakov Gallery, which showcases Russian art from various eras. Moscow's nightlife is dynamic, reflecting the city's blend of tradition and modernity. If you are a car lover like me, you can see supercars on Moscow's roads, especially in upscale areas and affluent districts. Moscow is home to many wealthy individuals, and luxury cars, including high-end supercars like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Bentleys, are not uncommon sights. The presence of supercars adds to the city's image of wealth and sophistication. It's not just cars you'll see on streets of Moscow. Imagine yourself walking these streets and suddenly a beautiful Russian woman catches your eye. Russian women are diverse in appearance, reflecting the country's wide range of ethnic backgrounds. Generally, many Russian women are characterized by features such as light to medium skin tones, a variety of hair colors including blonde, brown, and red, and often blue or green eyes. They are known for their sense of style and grooming, frequently displaying a polished and fashionable appearance. Russian women often emphasize elegance and sophistication in their dress, from casual outfits to formal attire. This attention to style is influenced by both traditional Russian fashion and contemporary global trends. Given the current situation, you're unlikely to move in Russia, but for those who wish to visit the country, here is a potential trip expense. The cost of living in Russia varies significantly depending on the region, with major cities like Moscow and St. Petersburg being considerably more expensive than rural areas and smaller cities. One-bedroom apartment in the city center can cost between $550 to $1,100, while in the outskirts, the rent might be closer to $330 per month. In contrast, smaller cities and rural areas offer much more affordable housing options, with rents often being a fraction of those in the capital. On average, utilities for a small apartment may cost around $75 to $110 per month, though this can vary depending on the season and region. During the winter months, heating costs can rise, especially in northern regions with harsh climates. A single ride on the Moscow metro costs around $0.70. Taxi fares in Moscow depend on the distance and the time of day. A typical starting fare is around $1.80 to $2.40 with an additional cost of approximately $0.20 to $0.35 per kilometer.